If your files keep uploading to OneDrive automatically and you want to stop that right now, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to turn off OneDrive automatic backup so your desktop, documents, and pictures folders stop syncing without you needing to keep fighting with it. This is especially useful if you want more control over your local files or you just don't want everything saved to the cloud by default. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, press Windows and E on your keyboard. That will open File Explorer on your Windows PC. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left sidebar and find OneDrive. Right-click on OneDrive to open the menu, and from that menu, click OneDrive Settings. This is where you can control the backup and syncing options that are sending your files to the cloud. Now that the OneDrive Settings window is open, look for the Sync and Backup section and click on it. This area controls which folders are being automatically protected and uploaded by OneDrive. Under Sync and the Backup, click Manage Backup. This is the setting you need if you want to stop OneDrive from taking over your desktop, documents, and pictures folders. Once you're inside Manage Backup, you'll see the folders that are currently being backed up. Turn off the backup for desktop, documents, and pictures. These are usually the folders that get synced automatically, and disabling them is the key step to stopping files from uploading on their own. If you only want to stop one folder, you can choose that one. But if you want to completely reduce automatic uploads, it's a good idea to turn off all three. After you switch them off, OneDrive will ask you to confirm the changes. Go ahead and confirm so the settings are saved properly. Once that's done, OneDrive should stop automatically uploading files from those folders, and your files will stay on your PC unless you manually move them somewhere else. If you still notice files syncing, it's worth going back into OneDrive settings and double-checking that backup is fully disabled. Sometimes people turn off one folder and forget the others, so make sure desktop, documents, and pictures are all switched off if your goal is to stop automatic uploads completely. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop files from automatically uploading to OneDrive by turning off the backup settings in just a few steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.